Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter error loading player, no playable source found, and you encounter this error on any browser, say Chrome, Firefox, Edge or Opera, then either read to this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. I will explain these resolutions for Microsoft Edge. There are linked articles for other browsers. The first solution is to clear the browser cache and cookie. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on these three dots here. Select clear browser history. Make sure that the time is selected at all time and cache and cookie files are selected. Select clear now. The next solution will be to update your browser. All you need to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner. Then scroll down and you'll find this option named Help and Feedback. Select it and select About Microsoft Edge. It will update Microsoft Edge and it will mention it is up to date. Next solution will be to reset the browser. Click on these three dots here. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Reset Settings tab. Here you'll find this option to restore settings to their default values. Select it and then click on Reset. After this, you can disable the extensions which are unnecessary. Click on these three dots here. Scroll down and you'll find extensions in this list. Click on it, select Manage Extensions. Find all these extensions. All you need to do is turn the switch off for each one of them. If this works well and good, if not, then you can try a different browser. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.